Welcome to the class of 2019 in Jalisco, Mexico. Yeah. On behalf of Gravity Body Academy.
Hola.
Okay. Bueno. Back to work. Does it also have any relation to the sacred vessel? Welcome to you all. Basically, we're going to run through the first segment that's going to talk about the bones. Human structure, complete. And this is for this distribution, this way. So when you're walking straight, the patella needs to be straight ahead like a headlight.
Yay, they liked it.
Okay, we'll see how well. So you're not bumping it. So we're going to do session number 1, and inside your handbooks, these are this first session numbers are what I'm going to be using. Now we're trying to cause pressure and tension at the same time. So what I want to do is move at a rate where I'm working that external fascia. I'm not trying to get down deep. QL attachment to the crest of the ilium. Or you can do it this way, just with your arm. There, see what's happening?
True story.
Birthday to you. Everybody.
Me? No, I'm shy.
Oh yeah.
سنة حلوة يا جميل شا 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 سنة حلوة يا جميل شا 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 سنة حلوة سنة حلوة سنة حلوة يا جميل شا شا شا.
Grab take these horseshoes off.
So you can feel the difference?
I feel a huge difference after just doing the right side now. Compare it to my left side right now, just analyze it, it feels like huge change.
Wow.
Just the feeling.
Wow.
And even the lightness, and just, you can just feel that little energy flow around the leg a little bit more.
Yeah,
Than
really.
before where it feels so stagnant.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like the circulation happening.